Hello students, today we will discuss some more problems of chapter 1 real numbers class 10th maths, okay, which are very important for board exam. Here's the first question. First question is question number 1. Can two numbers have 24 as their SCF and 7290 as their LCM? Give reason. The answer is no, because SCF always divide LCM, but here you can see that 24 doesn't divide 7290. Okay, so we will write but here 24 doesn't divide 7290. So this is the answer. Question number 2. Show that 3 plus root 7 by 5 is irrational. The solution is, first we suppose, let if possible, we will suppose 3 plus root 7 by 5 is rational. Okay, thus we can write 3 plus root 7 by 5 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Okay, then by cross multiplication we will get 3Q plus root 7Q is equal to 5P. In this equation, this will give root 7Q is equal to 5P minus 3Q, or root 7 is equal to 5P minus 3Q by Q. Since difference of two integers is also an integer, so 5P minus 3Q is an integer. We will write, since difference of two integers is also an integer, so 5P minus 3Q is an integer. Okay, so 5P minus 3Q by Q is a rational number. But in this equation you see 5P minus 3Q by Q is equal to root 7. Root 7 is irrational number. Okay, but LHS root 7 is equal to irrational number. So Thus, rational number is equal to irrational number, which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction. So, this is not possible. Our supposition is wrong, and so 3 plus root 7 by 5 is an irrational number. Proved. Okay. Now the third question is question number 3. Prove that n square plus n is divisible by 2 for any positive integer n. Okay, the solution is n square plus n. We can write it n into n plus 1. There are two cases. There arises two cases. Case 1 is when n is even, then n plus 1 will be odd, and since even into odd is equal to even, okay, so product n into n plus 1 is equal to even, that is, it is divisible by 2. And the case 2, when n is odd, then n plus 1 will be even, and since odd into even is equal to even, okay, so n into n plus 1 is equal to even, that is divisible by 2. So for any positive integer n square plus n is always divisible by 2. Okay.